Dave? What's up, bro? How you doing? Here I am. Here I am. Going up against 300 birds. Going up at 300. My man here, bro. 7 birds. How you like that? 7 on it. We going up against 300 pigeons here.
Yep.
Okay?
Getting it done.
And guess what? I'm the only one with caps. All these guys said that they're bringing caps. No caps.
No caps.
No caps. There's no caps. Look at this. These are giants. These are the giants here. These ain't the little ones. The giants.
What we should do, get rid of all the pigeons and everybody else place. That's the best fucking thing to do.
See here? This man here with all these grizzles, these are the giants. He said he was bringing caps. No caps. No caps. The only one here with caps is this right here. Right here.
Oh,
only
shit.
Caps.
Tip the caps.
Only one. The little tiny ones.
Now, Al got a couple in there.
We in the building. Pigeons in our blood. We in the building.